quick tutorial, I'll show you 5 simple things you can do to make your Zoom meetings look and sound much better. I'm going to cover whether to record to the Zoom cloud or to the local drive, how to enable HD settings, how to record audio files separately, how to optimize for video editing, and there's a bonus of what you must do before you hit record. Hello, I'm Maria Fuller. I'm an executive assistant and I'm also the author of Executive Assistant Mastery. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tip number 1, my first and my most important tip is always to record directly to your computer. When you record to the cloud, Zoom often compresses the video and the audio to save space, which can lower the quality. So we don't want that. Always remember to record the local recording onto your computer, and that gives you the original high quality video and audio files. This is essential whether you're recording for a team meeting for the people that couldn't attend or a company webinar for sharing internally later. Number 2. For a visually crisp and clear video, you need to turn on the HD setting. Open your Zoom desktop, the application settings, and click on the video tab. Now make sure the box for HD is checked. Then for the best sound, go to the audio tab. Turn on noise removal. So this setting enables Zoom's automatic sound filters, which can suppress background noise. The result is a clean audio file where everyone in the meeting is easy to understand. Well, that's the plan anyway. Tip number 3. So the next tip is a huge time saver. If you ever need to edit a recording or create a transcript, then this is for you. In your recording settings, check the box that says record a separate audio file for each participant. This gives you a different sound file for each person in the meeting or webinar. Now, this is a game changer because you can easily fix volume problems. You can remove a cough, or you can cut out a moment of feedback from somebody's audio without affecting everybody else's. Tip number 4, if you or your team ever need to edit your recording, this setting is your best friend. In the recording settings, check the box for optimize for third-party video editor, and this will give you a video file that is less compressed and works much better with professional editing programs. It will also make the editing process much smoother and faster, and that's what we like. Number 5 is my final tip, and it's about making a good impression visually. So before you hit record, make sure your background is clean and tidy, or if it isn't, if it's an absolute mess, I suggest you do what I've done and you upload a virtual background. Not that my normal background is unless it's very neat. Of course it is, I'm an executive assistant. You must upload a virtual background. Go to your settings, video, effects, virtual backgrounds, the plus button, and upload. Now, this gorgeous virtual background that you can see before you, which looks very designer and lush, is an image asset that belongs to Vicinity Corporate Housing. We made a video together recently and you can watch it. I will put the video up towards the end of this video. Okay, the other tip that you can have as a bonus is place yourself in a well-lit area. So sort your lighting out. Your face needs to be well lit, not in shadow. And most importantly, okay, close any unnecessary apps on your computer that are going to fur it up, and silence all of your notifications. So this ensures that your recording looks polished and professional from start to finish, and that's what we like. So don't forget to subscribe for weekly content helping executive assistants and office professionals. Please subscribe, and if you've learned something from this video, please hit the like button. Thanks a lot.